Welcome back to App Mentor. In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to add Wi-Fi widget to iPhone Control Center running on iOS 18. Many users have noticed that you can no longer just have the Wi-Fi icon by itself. Instead, you have to include all connectivity options like airplane mode, cellular data, or any other control. Now let's have a quick and easy solution for this. First, open the Shortcuts app on your device. In the Shortcuts app, tap on the plus sign button at the top right to create new shortcut. Next, tap on the search bar and type Wi-Fi and then hit search. Now select the option Set Wi-Fi. By default, it will look like this one. Now to change this, tap on the highlighted turn word and then select Toggle in the pop-up menu. Next, let's customize a shortcut. Tap on the downward arrow icon at the top of the screen, or simply the name of the shortcut above. Now select Rename to change the name of the Wi-Fi. After that, change the icon by tapping on the downward icon and select Icon. Next, choose the color that you want, then scroll down and look for the Wi-Fi icon under the Connectivity section, then select it. Once finished, tap Done at the top to save your newly created shortcut. Now let's add it on the Control Center. Swipe down from the top right corner to open the Control Center. Next, tap on the plus sign icon at the top left corner. Then tap Add a Control at the bottom part. Tap on the search bar and enter Shortcuts. From the result, select the shortcut control title. Next, tap on the Choose button beside the shortcut option. This will show a list of all available shortcuts. Find and select the newly created Wi-Fi shortcut to add it. Now go back to the Control Center and you'll see the Wi-Fi widget on the screen. You can choose to drag it to change its placements. And there you go. Thank you for tuning in to App Mentor. If this video is helpful, please don't forget to like, hit the subscribe button, and leave a comment for any suggestions. See you on the next video.